Polar bears are believed to have evolved from brown bears 600,000 years ago. Their white fur is an adaptation that allows them to better survive in their snowy environment. This is an example of which mode of natural selection. If it were stabilizing selection, we would see more of the intermediate trait, in this case the brown fur. And it would just be one trait that we see, more of that one trait, not another fur color like white. In this case, we would never see a white polar bear. So choice A is not the correct answer. Disruptive selection would favor against the intermediate trait, in this case the brown fur, because most of the brown bears have brown fur, and therefore we would see no more brown fur bears. Instead we would see two different colors. But because the brown bears are still there, disruptive selection cannot be the answer. Artificial selection is definitely not the right answer because that would refer to human biotechnology and breeding and so forth, and bears aren't domesticated, so humans have no part in this. So choice D, not correct. Directional selection is the best answer because in this case, it's one of the extreme traits that's favored. So if we had a population of brown bears, some with very dark brown fur, almost to the point of being black, and other extremes where the fur is so light brown, almost to the point of being white, in a snowy environment, the bears who have the fur that's the most white would survive more because they could blend in better with the snow around them, make it easier to catch their prey. So that's an example of directional selection. We see one trait become more favorable, and that one trait could lead to another population of bears, in this case the polar bears. Choice B.